Okay, John, this is Travis. I was going to take a quick video right before I headed off for the Halloween festivities. I'm in my garage, so you have to excuse the lighting. I pulled the hatch up on the motor, and I need to get better lighting in here, but anyways, the motor, let me put the key in here. Alright. I mean, that's about as safe as I feel running it, but you can see it starts up and revs up real quick. Let me get out of the boat here. Hold on. Yeah, hold on, Bubba.
Why are you in the boat?
So, here's the trailer. You can see the gel coat's really nice. Here's the thickness on the tires.
I think that's the boat. Daddy, turn on the boat. Daddy, turn on the boat.
You see the gel coat's nice. Okay, I got the cover on the back. You can see here, this right here is staining from that. That's it. There's no scratches there. And that could be buffed. So, that's just, there's no scratches, no divots. This right here is not a scratch. See, it came off on my finger. It's not a scratch. That could be buffed. The bottom of the boat looks wonderful. I mean, even with the low lighting on here, you can see that gel coat, how thick it is. Anyways, I'm going to send that to you and see what you think.